This video will show you how you can use Claude, Etsy, and Printify that are all free to use to create a viral calendar that gives you exactly the playbook for selling print-on-demand items exactly when people are looking for these items. So I'll show you the prompt I used to generate an interactive calendar with Claude, the items that we're using for every seasonality period, and how we use viral moments to maximize the chances for us to win. And I'll show you how to create those products even if you're a complete beginner. So like we have said before, succeeding online is all about catching moments and addressing specific audiences that resonate with what we're selling, right? And all that need to be big enough, especially in business. We don't want micro niches, right? Few people that are doing something, small demand, low volume of search. We want the exact opposite. So I went to Claude and I used this exact prompt. Create a calendar graph for me with the top seasonal moments, but also high demand periods based on volume of search sales in marketplaces like Etsy, which actually it's something that you can easily sell any items, and it's a great indication of what people are looking for along the year in every single moment, right? For example, 4th of July is here, close to us. High demand period on celebrating American merch, Christmas gifting, Mother's Day, so all these dates need to be inside the interactive calendar. Even big moments like the NBA Finals or the World Cup event, right? So, as you see, Claude analyzed all these dates based on demand, competition, if it's a global or local event, and gave me this interactive calendar right here. So I can click on high demand, ultra peak, sports, seasonal, and you can keep adding events, especially if you want to make it country specific, right? In every single country, you have different kind of seasonality moments, but those are actually global trends, right? If I click on all, you see here that we have obviously Christmas, which is the ultra peak. The Etsy demand is 100%. The lead time is quite long, so you need to prepare quite early, right? And you see here also the key niches that Claude will give you a recommendation based on popular niches and popular searches, what kind of items you should be looking for. So sweaters, family matching stuff for Black Friday, gift guides, bundles, stocking stuffers, Mother's Day, etc. So you get the interactive calendar right here that I even asked Claude to make it an HTML link so I can have it right here. This is my calendar, right? Created by Claude. It's completely interactive. You can create it too. You can add events as we said, and you can use it as the main basis to know exactly what is coming, right? So Christmas is next, Mother's Day is next, Valentine's Day, etc., etc. So you are ready for every single season that it's coming. Now, since we have the 4th of July coming, which is a huge event in US, we're gonna use this one and explore the global marketplace and the internet of how we can combine viral moments with this huge day. And I have an amazing idea that you're gonna love. Let me show you. So right now, one of the most viral moments on the internet is Sophie Cunningham, which is a basketball player in US, that created this viral meme that went super viral across any social media. Even I used it to create a video myself, capitalizing that moment. So, since this is popular and it's gonna be around for a while, and it's completely American, why not combine that with July 4th to come up with some amazing concepts that Americans will resonate with, right? So, as you see, I use a platform like Lovart. You can do the same with any other tool, even ChatGPT. And I asked, this is very important, for a copyright-free version of this image celebrating the 4th of July, right? And also give me a quote that will resonate with a very specific moment during this period, which is barbecue. So Lovart created these designs, nothing like freedom with a side of barbecue, or this one. These designs can turn into merch, and that's exactly what we're gonna do in step number 3 with Printify, which actually is free to use. Now, I used this moment for July 4th, which is happening right now. You can do the same using this viral moment for anything else. So you can use Sophie Cunningham meme for the Christmas period, or the Father's Day, like Sophie pointing your father saying you are the best, or something like that, right? So you use the viral moment, you match it with a season that it's coming based on the calendar of Claude, and that's how you create a virality machine. Something that can really work. Because as we said before, it's based on demand happening now. And apart from that, you can easily go to ChatGPT. As you see right here, I asked ChatGPT to come up with different concepts irrelevant of the viral moment that I tracked before. So if you don't have any idea of what's happening right now, you can just ask ChatGPT for interesting concepts for a specific demographic, exactly like I did right here. And as you see, ChatGPT created some designs for me that are related to this exact date. But I just made it more personal, adding my own virality understanding of the internet, right? And I made something that I believe that has high chances to be sold on Etsy. So let me show you now how we will create the products. And now we're gonna go to Printify that has a huge catalog of thousands of products that we have seen before. But the great part is that every single time that a season is trending, something big is coming, right? Based on seasonality, based on previous learnings, previous sales, Printify has millions of users. It creates a category with popular items based on what is being sold previously, right? And as you see right here, we have the Summer of Soccer 26 because the World Cup is happening right now, but also a brand new category, the 4th of July, which is a huge season, as we have said before, and gives you a recommendation of items that are relevant to this day. So people love going to the beach, so maybe create beach-related items. Or cups, because people are wearing cups while they're having barbecue, right? Holding cans of beers, holding serving trays, using tank tops while they're cooking, or even having picnic blankets, right? So you can customize all of them. So just pick one, like this one. Make sure to select a location in US to have fast shipping. Start designing. So my design is right here. I will save the product. You can select as many variants as you want. Printify creates also the mockup so you can see how your product looks like in real time, right? Check this out. Pretty cool. I'll save the selection. I'll set up my price right here, have a good margin of 40%, publish the product. And then if I go to my product section, you see all the items that I have created before, the published ones, the unpublished ones, the one that is being published as we speak. You're gonna see turning green once it's ready. And then all I gotta do is connect again my Etsy store. Obviously, you need to have one, right? You can create one for free. And then connect Printify with your Etsy store. So every single time that a new product is being published, is heading directly to your Etsy catalog, being able to address millions of people that are looking for July 4th items in Etsy. And that's exactly how you're gonna optimize your listing. So after you create a listing, you need also to use Claude to create SEO-friendly text, product description, taglines, so you can make sure that the 4th of July element is within your text. You see different items being sold during this day, so why not be part of this selection of products that people are looking for online? And guess what? If you're smart enough, you're gonna stand out with something that most people will never do, right? Everyone is doing the same, you're gonna do something completely different. And this will catch people's eyes instantly. So as you see, my product has been just published. I previously created other items as well, like the beer can cooler, that's the one, or this one with the alternative design, and you can do as many products as you want. So my recommendation, create 10 different designs, create 20 different products, list them on Etsy and see how it goes. And do that with every viral season. Every single time that you see a viral meme or something that you can create a twist about and create an element that can be searched on Etsy, go for it. The more you do it, the more chances you have to have your first sale. And then guess what? A new world of opportunities opens up. That's how it works. Everything changes once you get your first sale, once you listen to this beautiful notification. After that, you realize that there is something here, you double down, and all you gotta do is keep being consistent. So if you like this video, hit the like button, share the video with somebody who needs to see it, and until next time, simply hustle.